Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we break down online products and expose what's real and what's risky. Today, we're reviewing Valora Beetroot Powder Capsules, a supplement that claims to support heart health and energy levels by restoring your body's nitric oxide production, not just masking symptoms. Sounds impressive, but the real question is Valora Beetroot Powder legit or just clever marketing? Let's break it down. First, what does Valora Beetroot Powder claim? According to the website, this product says, it supports healthy blood pressure, improves resting heart rate, boosts daily energy, and delivers noticeable results in 2 to 3 weeks. They also highlight 100% pure beetroot, zero sugar, no additives, no fillers. On paper, that sounds very clean and appealing. Now let's talk about beetroot itself. Beetroot is known to naturally contain dietary nitrates, which the body can convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a role in blood flow and circulation, which is why beetroot supplements are often marketed for heart and energy support. So yes, beetroot as an ingredient is real, and it's commonly used in health supplements. But here's where Online Scam Advisor always gets careful. No supplement, including beetroot powder, can instantly fix blood pressure, replace prescribed medication, or guarantee results in a specific time frame. Everyone's body responds differently. Now let's examine red flags versus green flags. Green flags, simple ingredient focus, no exaggerated miracle cure language. Beetroot is a known researched food ingredient. Potential concerns, strong timeline promises like feel it in 2-3 weeks. Health claims that depend heavily on lifestyle and diet. Limited independent reviews outside the official site. So, is Valora Beetroot Powder a scam? Based on ingredient logic alone, it doesn't scream fake product. However, it should be treated as a dietary supplement, not a medical solution. If you're considering it, check the full ingredient label. Look for third-party testing or certifications. Consult a healthcare professional if you have heart or BP conditions. Final verdict from Online Scam Advisor. Valora Beetroot Powder appears to be potentially legit. And if you wants to purchase this, so I request from you to purchase this from a legit website, but it is not a magic fix. Think of it as supportive nutrition, not a cure. Always stay cautious, do your research, and never rely on supplements alone for serious health issues. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and comment below if you want us to review another product. Stay smart. Stay safe. See you in the next scam review. Thank you.